Did you hear? There's magic tonight. The moon's got a gig and the stars are so bright. A cow's in the air and the spoon's on the run. Come join the fun, it's just begun. Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun. And the dish ran away with the spoon.
The stars did a twirl, the moon gave a wink. The cow did a flip and was gone in a blink. The cat played jazz on a golden string, while comets danced in a sparkling ring.
The spoon took a ride on a rocket so red, with the dish shouting "Go!" from a sled. The dog barked beats to a cosmic tune, and the sky lit up like a big cartoon. The cow came back with a meteorite. "A gift from space," she said with delight. The cat gave a bow, the stars gave a cheer. Same time tomorrow, we'll all be here. The dish had dreams of a galaxy race. The spoon trained hard, zooming through space. The dog wrote tales of their nighttime flight and read them aloud in the starlit night. Hey Diddle Diddle, that's all for tonight. Thanks for watching our magical flight. Tap the like if you had some fun and subscribe for more. We've just begun.